You are welcome to Digitizing.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com. Visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about why does my embroidery look distorted after stitching? Embroidery is an art form that adds character and personalization to various fabrics, but achieving a flawless finish can sometimes be challenging. One common issue faced by embroiderers is distortion in the final design after stitching. This problem can undermine the beauty of your work and the effort invested in it. Understanding the causes and solutions for embroidery distortion is crucial to producing high-quality results and maintaining the integrity of your designs. Causes of embroidery distortion. Improper hooping technique. Hooping plays a pivotal role in securing fabric for embroidery. If the fabric is stretched too tightly or left too loose in the hoop, it can lead to puckering, warping, or misalignment during and after stitching. Uneven tension in the hoop is a common cause of distortion. Fabric type and stabilizer. Mismatch. Different fabrics have unique properties that require appropriate stabilizers for support. For instance, stretchy or thin materials may need firmer backing to prevent shifting during embroidery. Using an incompatible stabilizer can result in design distortion. Incorrect tension settings. The tension settings on your embroidery machine affect the pull of threads through the fabric. Balanced upper and bobbin thread tension can cause the fabric to pucker or ripple, leading to an uneven design. Density of the embroidery design. Overly dense designs can put excess strain on the fabric, causing it to shift or bunch up. This issue is especially prevalent with lightweight or delicate materials that are not equipped to handle heavy stitching. Poor fabric preparation. Failure to pre-treat or pre-shrink fabric can lead to unexpected results after stitching. Fabrics that shrink after the embroidery process may cause the design to appear distorted or uneven. How to prevent embroidery distortion. Master the art of hooping. Always ensure your fabric is hooped correctly with an even, moderate tension. Use a hoop that fits your embroidery area snugly and avoid overstretching the material. Investing time in proper hooping can significantly reduce distortion issues. Select the right stabilizer. Match your stabilizer to your fabric type and embroidery design. For stretchy fabrics like knits, use cutaway stabilizers for firm support. For lightweight materials, consider using a water-soluble or tear-away stabilizer to maintain balance without adding bulk. Adjust machine tension settings. Regularly check and calibrate your machine's thread tension. Conduct test stitches on scrap fabric to ensure that the upper and bobbin threads are balanced, preventing unnecessary pull on the fabric. Optimize design density. Choose embroidery designs that are appropriate for the fabric you are working with. If a design is too dense, consider resizing it or working with a digitizing professional to adjust the stitch count and spacing. Prepare your fabric properly. Wash, dry, and iron your fabric before starting embroidery. Pre-treatment helps prevent shrinkage and ensures a smooth surface, reducing the risk of distortion after stitching. Troubleshooting tips for distorted embroidery. Check your hooping post. Stitching. After stitching, remove the fabric from the hoop carefully to prevent unnecessary stretching or damage. Steam and press. Use a steam iron to gently press distorted areas and realign the fabric and stitches. Avoid ironing directly on the embroidery. Analyze your technique. Keep a record of your machine settings, fabric type, stabilizers, and designs to identify recurring issues and refine your process. Conclusion: embroidery distortion can be frustrating, but it is entirely preventable with proper preparation, the right tools, and attention to detail. By understanding the root causes and implementing these preventive measures, you can ensure that your embroidery projects consistently showcase professional quality and precision. If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust Digitizing.com to deliver accuracy, creativity, and professional results. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit and debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizing.com. Visit the website Digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.